Hey everyone, it's Mr. Greenwood again with another tutorial video. This one is a follow-up to the last video you watched about the language of geometry. So I just want to talk a little bit about notation. We labeled and drew pictures last time, so this is our picture or diagram. The A is the labeling here, so the point C and point D. The arrows, those are our labels. So let's talk about how to notate and say what we're talking about. So point A, and I'm just going to write with my mouse just for lack of a better way to do this quickly. So point A, that's a really thick pen. Let's do this instead. That's better. Okay, grab my eraser. All right, so to label or notate, we're going to call this point A. So you actually write out the word point and then the name of the letter that represents the point. So point A, this would be point B, but you have to write out the whole word. For a line, which you can see right here, so line, it's pretty intuitive. You just put the two letters that describe the line. So in this case, CD, and we're going to put a little picture of a line above it. Okay, so that actually is a C. Let me erase. I'm making all kinds of mistakes this morning. We'll try this again. CD, there we go. That looks a little better. Okay, so that's line CD. C and D are 2 points on the line. Could be any 2 points, even ones I haven't labeled, but you'd have to label it and give it a name. And then the line with the arrows, okay? Line segment, so this is AF, so you're already probably picking this up. We're going to use A and F as my endpoints. And the way this is different is we're just going to put a line segment on top with no arrows. No dots are necessary. We've had this discussion as a math department. I think it's okay if you put dots, but I generally will not put dots on mine. Let's see. Next, we have array. I'll use a different color here. I'll go orange. Why not? Okay. So array, it starts at B. It goes past C forever. So those are our 2 points. And we're going to draw our segment, and we'll put an arrow on the point that it goes past. So now it goes past C forever. So we have start at B, go past C. Now this one is one where people get confused. The arrow goes past the D, and the endpoint is the E. So I ask the question, where does it start? It starts at E. It goes past D forever. So there's that, and my arrow is going to go past the D. So even though the diagram goes in a different direction, the notation always goes with the arrow to the right. And lastly, we talked about plane last time and just named it plane ABC. Remember, a two-dimensional surface with no thickness extends forever in all directions. And that's where all these things live on, is in planes. Okay, that's it. Short, sweet, to the point. I hope you all have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.